Hey guys, welcome to Atita Fitness. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. So if you can get me there, I would really appreciate it. So share with a friend, tell your family to subscribe because I'm looking forward to take content creation to another level. So guys, thank you for supporting me, and I'm really looking forward to give you the best. So today, I have big news for you guys. This is something that I've been always looking forward to get, and someone special sent it to me, my uncle. Thank you so much, Mr. James. I really appreciate. I know you watched one of my video and you knew something that I needed the most. So thank you so much, guys. I got the AI glasses. They're called Meta glasses. So I have them here, as you guys can see them. They're called Meta glasses. They're filming glasses. They have AI feature which is built inside. So I'm going to unbox them so that we get to see how these glasses are and what they can do. So let's get started. Talking about Meta glasses, they have AI built in it. These glasses, you can use them for listening to music. You can use them to film even with 4K, and you just download the app on your phone, and then you connect your Bluetooth to your phone, and it will be able to store most of the videos that you're going to record to your phone. So I think that's one of the best features. I've been looking forward to get something that I don't have, like, you know, to call my GoPro around, like filming and all that. So these glasses, they have even like a quality camera more than a GoPro. So I'm going to film around using my AI glasses, or like Meta glasses. Also compare them with my GoPro and see which one has good or better quality. Let's unbox these glasses. I'm going to open them here. You see, I like the packaging of these glasses. Look at how it is. So I just took this one out. And thank you, Mr. James. So this is how they are. If you're going to get them. And as you guys can see, these are the AI glasses. I haven't opened them yet. So this is the first time I'm also seeing these glasses. I've not used them before. I've been watching a lot of videos online and asking myself, like, you know, if I can get those glasses, that will be the best thing. So you can see, if you're looking forward to buy the same glasses, checking them online, they're going for $350 US, and for Kenyan shillings, it's almost like 40,000 Kenyan shillings. So I'm going to tell you if it's worth it to buy or invest towards these glasses. So first of all, look at how they look like. What do you think, guys? Okay, let's take these ones out. This is how you charge them. They have the charging area. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. I know like the GoPro doesn't really focus very well, but I'm going to try my best. And the cameras are here. So if someone is not careful, you will be recording them without them knowing. But this one for me, it's for content creation. As you can see, it's already like blinking on this side. I think the sound system on this one, it's the best. I was watching some of the video. Wow. What do you think, guys? I like them. They look really good. It's like they're customized to my style. What do you think? The charging port is here on this case. You can see the charging port is here. So you just put your glasses here and you can charge it using your Type-C charger, the one that you can use, the one that you use charging your iPhone. So you can use the same charger. It doesn't come with a charger. The only thing that it comes with the glasses is the manual. If I think we have the manual here, which is going to help me download the app and get to know how I can use these glasses. So they also have this small piece of cloth which you can use for cleaning the glasses. So yes, the Meta glasses comes with the safety warranty. So if you get this warranty, you have to pay $50 extra. So just in case if you break your glasses and anything happens to them, it's a 3 years warranty. So you will be able to replace them for free. So I think it's worth it to pay $50. I'm going to see how I can do that. Another thing is for those who wear glasses which are prescribed, you have an option here. Just go ahead and scan the QR code and send them all the details about your eyes, about the lenses that you have on your glasses, and they will be able to send you the lenses for the Meta glasses that you have. So prescription, you guys are catered for. Now we have this is the manual how we can get started. They say get started here. Go ahead and download the app. It's called the Meta View app, as you can see here. So I have downloaded the app. This is how it looks like on your iPhone. I don't know if this camera is going to focus, but this is the app. So let's open it up. As you can see, yep, perfect features. So let me go ahead and start. They're telling me to create an account. So guys, there's one thing I was forgetting about connecting this glass to your Bluetooth on your phone. So you have to keep them inside this case, and they have instructions. There's a small button here. You press this one and wait for at least 5 seconds, and then it will connect with the Bluetooth on your phone on this app. So now I have connected the Bluetooth. I'll put the Wi-Fi password on the app so that you can download the media when I want it. The next thing, I'm going to replay this one. They're going to show me all the steps on how to start. Like right now, they're telling me to, let's see, press the capture button once. This one here. Good. Next step. Press and hold the capture button. This one. Good. Press the capture button again. Oh, okay. So if I want to take a picture, I just do once. Pressing and holding, that's a video. So guys, as we finish this video, I'm going to take a picture and film. It's at night time, but I would like to try them outside there. So I should do a part 2 of this video. But for now, let me take a picture and share a video of Meta glasses. So I'm going to do a short video in this house. Like the way I'm seated, record towards the front, and also take a picture and see how it comes out. It's night time, so I'm expecting that like maybe it's going to brighten it up and all that. So let's see. Just took a picture, and if I go here, it tells me like import. I'm importing the picture right now, join the Wi-Fi. Good. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, it's importing the picture. It does everything so quick. So right here, guys, the picture is already taken. Another thing that we need to do is record a short video. Now it's recording the video. I don't know if it doesn't show. Oh, it does show that it's recording. I don't like that. It shouldn't show anything. Me looking at the house, and yeah, I don't like this lighting. It should be dark so that, like, you know, when you are doing street videos and all that, someone is not going to know or realize that you're recording anything. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is my GoPro. I don't know if like you can see it from here, my writing from the other side. Now you guys know like how I do record my videos. So yeah, let's end it. I'm going to hold. Good. It's always, all the time you do that, it asks you to import. So I'm going to import it to my files. Join. And let's see if I'm going to receive it. So you must have a lot of storage on your phone to be able to have it. To be able to store all this footage if you're going to record like a lot of footage outside there. You can see the battery is already at my name. The battery is already at 80%. 82%, as you guys can see. The video is here, and I'm also going to share the video. Now, one thing, how do you record like fatcore recording instead of like, this one is more like horizontal. So I want to know the fatcore recording. Wow, but this, guys, the video is amazing. I'm going to share this video, even if it's this way, I will be able to share it with you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm super excited to go outside there and create a lot of content for you guys, street videos, and show you around. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe, join Atita Fitness, and let's do this together, guys. Thumbs up on this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.